Has Insta360 just outdone themselves again with the Insta360 Ace Pro? Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the Insta360 Ace Pro and how amazing the star lapses are on this camera. Now, you know that I love star lapses. I have found the best settings for the X3 and Insta360 1-inch 360 edition. Well, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my settings for the Insta360 Ace Pro and what settings I found have worked amazingly so you guys can get the exact same StarTrails as what I am right here. This StarTrail was taking in Brisbane with heaps of light pollution, but it was able to capture an amazing star lapse. So let's quickly jump into the settings and I'll show you exactly the settings that I'm using. All right, so the settings that we want to first look at is the resolution. So it does it in 12 megapixel in 4K and also 9 megapixel in 4K. But the difference there is that in 12 megapixel, we have a 4:3 format, but the 9 megapixel one is in 16:9. So I always like to shoot in that the highest resolution possible. So that will be 12 megapixels at 4:3. Then we want to go over to our manual settings. We don't want to do auto. Auto does an amazing job, but we want to dial this in. So let's go over to manual settings. Then we want to start with our shutter speed. Now our shutter speed is going to be 30 seconds. So we're going to have that shutter open for 30 seconds at a time. All right, our ISO will be set at 400, no higher than 400. I found that 400 is the sort of like the magic number for star lapses. So stay at 400, and our white balance is going to be 5500K. I found that is probably the best. It gives you probably the more natural color lighting situation, especially for night. We have some other settings here. You can set a timer from 3 seconds all the way to 15 seconds. I just leave the timer off. I don't use it. Length of recording, you can set the limits. You can start from 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, 30, and then every hour all the way up to 10 hours. But I always just leave it at no limit. And then we can choose the export type. Now, if we have a look at the export type, we have straight away, we have StarTrails video, and also we have star lapse video and StarTrails photo. Now, no matter what setting that you choose to do it in, so what it's going to do is that it's going to export that internally in the camera to the one that you want. So if you set it for StarTrails photo, once it's finished, it's going to generate a StarTrails photo for you to be able to then download it onto your phone and then straight away post it. But you can also re-edit that footage into the star lapses or the StarTrails as well inside of the Insta360 app. So no matter what, if you just choose one, you can still export all three of them once you link it up to the app. But the one that you choose, that one will automatically edit itself inside the camera. So then you've already got a wonderful star lapse straight away in your camera that you can throw straight onto your phone and then straight onto your socials. So it doesn't really matter which one that you choose, but I always do StarTrails video. So they're my settings that I use. Let's jump into the app and I'll show you how it actually looks inside the app. So once you've connected to your app, you can see that I have a StarTrails video, which is 32 seconds. So that is automatically, that was the one that I chose on the night that I did this. And so it automatically already edited into that 32-second video. But as you see beside that one, we have the StarTrails photo, which is just the icon. So if we click on that, we can then pick which type of export that we want. So if we want a star lapse, time lapse, or star photo, we can then export it from that. So if you've done a star lapse first, and then you've got it into your phone and you want a time lapse, well then once you click time lapse, it will then process that footage that you've got and create the time lapse for you, and the same for the photo. So this camera is just absolutely amazing. So my settings again are a 30-second shutter speed, my ISO is at 400, and my white balance is 5500K. If you want to pick up an Insta360 Ace Pro, there'll be a link below where you can go do that. That is an affiliated link and I do get a kickback, so thank you very much. If you have enjoyed this video and you have found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And until next time, guys, I'm Colin from AOColin out.